Hello students, welcome to the geography class of 9th standard. I am Mrs. P.S. Zadav and I am going to teach you with your this year's 9th standard class geography syllabus. Geography subject is along with your history and political science. This subject both together is termed as SST. Mrs. S.S. Patil teacher, she teach you with the history and political science part, and I would be dealing you with the geography syllabus. Before starting with the syllabus, let me introduce you with your total academic syllabus and your examination pattern, also with the set of books that you would require for this year. Firstly, let me make myself clear with the needs and the requirements of the books and the notebooks for this subject. This subject, that is geography, is not divided, but there are altogether 12 chapters here in your textbook content page. If you see these 12 chapters, out of these 12 chapters, first 7 chapters deal with your geography, and from lesson number 8 to lesson number 12 it deals with economics part. Both these geography and economics, we are going to write in one single notebook. For writing your exercise question answers, you set 200 pages long notebook. Do not divide as earlier you did for history and civics, but write it in continuation as we complete with the geography lesson. We would be going with the economics lesson in continuation. So one geography notebook is of 200 pages long book would be required to write the question answers, that is exercise. Also, one long notebook of 100 pages would be required to write your assignment, project and your activity. This is all is about your notebook. Now let us see to the examination pattern. The examination pattern is same what you had earlier, but the weightage has been changed. For your terminal examination, you have to appear for 80 marks of written examination, and for your unit test, you have to appear for your 20 marks of written paper. Along with this, you have to write some assignments, complete some projects, complete some activities, and also at the end of every semester there would be a MCQ test of 20 marks which would be further converted, and altogether your 100 marks evaluation for each term would be done. I hope this part is very clear to you how would be your notebook and what would be the set of examination. For your unit test, the weightage for the geography is of 40 marks, which will have the similar type of question answers what you earlier attempted. Fill in the blanks, match the following, answer in brief, short notes, give reasons, map, based on map questions would be asked, etc. This would be the set of questions that would be asked to you in your geography question paper. But only the thing is that okay, this time the weightage is completely, that is 40 marks weightage. There won't be any internal evaluation as such. What you do throughout the year, that only would be evaluated completely. There are no hidden values for your marks, what was up to grade marks given in the class 8. So now, I hope that these instructions are clear to you. And now, let us continue today with our first chapter, that is distributional maps.